I'm Colby Pope reporting here from the St. Mark's Lighthouse, and you're looking out over Apalache Bay. And actually the sun is trying to break through the clouds as these rain bands are continuing to come on shore. I've actually timed it perfectly between two rain bands back towards Woodville. I was driving through some really heavy precipitation, and then there's also some precipitation here right off the coast, and you can see really the ominous skies back to the this is actually back to the south and west, southwest. So there's still some bands that are out there from Tropical Storm Colin that are yet to come onto shore here. It can be kind of misleading here between these rain bands because the sun is trying to peek through. But if you look out on the horizon, you can actually see more and more bands of thunderstorms that are going to actually be coming through here over the next few hours. Now, the main part of Tropical Storm Colin is back over to the it's going to be back over to the east, and that's where the peninsula, the Florida peninsula itself, got hit in the western coast of Florida there on the actual peninsula itself. But even here on the Gulf Coast, you can see the 1 to 3 feet surge here as the water is a lot higher than it usually is at this point. And you can even, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's even some stuff that's floating out there, some debris and whatnot. And just, you can definitely tell that this water is up a lot higher than it usually is. So again, a good view there of the, I'll let you have that panoramic shot there of, you can see out there on the horizon, you can see these next bands that are going to be actually coming in off of the coast. And again, this is weird. This is kind of out of the southwest. And again, there's a huge complex back over to the actual east. But again, kind of a partial clearing here. I wouldn't call it an eye wall. This is a very disorganized storm. But then you're going to look back over to the actual southwest, and it looks very, very ominous back to the southwest. So I'm going to try to get some more angles for you. And again, I'm Colby Pope, Florida State student meteorologist here at St. Mark's Lighthouse.